need your microphone.
after 26 hours ba? Kamusta? After 26 hours, naiproklama na rin kayo. Bakit niyo po sinimulan sa mensaheng Let's All Heal?
Well, before I answer that, again, now it's official. Chichi and I and most of the Yormes Choice who won the local election in Manila have been proclaimed. So let me take this opportunity na magpasalamat ulit